still snowy. Hi, ate. Okay. Slippery. Oh, we are in the snowy. Oh my God, ayaw niya magsuot ng gloves. Cherries. Yes. Hindi pwedeng makain kasi masisira yung tiyan. Yes, cherry. Yes. It's no. Jump. No. Okay. No. Come on in. Let's go inside. Snowy. Oh my goodness. What happened? Hindi siya ganun kakapal yung snow. Kasi may ulan-ulan din siya kaya madali siyang natutup. Okay. Is snowman. Hello. Come on. Okay. Kuha kami ng snowman. Where's your snowman? Hindi pa siya ganun kakapal. Where's your snowman? No. Sabi nila, ang snow daw ang pinakamalinis na. Bigger now. More. Come on in. Snow. I can see. Good boy. More snow. Get more snow. Pero mahirap siya gawin. I don't know. Pag nanonood ka, parang ang bilis-bilis gawin. Pero ikaw pa lang gumagawa. Uy, mahirap pala siyang gawin. body? Yes. The body? Yeah. Yeah. Wait, more. Yung pinaikot-ikot lang nila pero hindi pala siya madali. Snowman, the snow is falling down. Children's laughing all around like it's raining. Wow! Good boy! Tulo lang yung sipon. Woo! Wow! Hi, Mr. Snowman! One more daw. The small one. Wow! Ayan, si Olaf na. Si Olaf. We need to give our presents to Roman. Oh! Bibigay kami ng presents sa mga sa ano namin. Ito lang yung mga medyo naging ka-close lang namin dito. Wow! Ayan, nakatayo kami. Kahit hindi perfect, basta at least wow! At ngayon naman medyo okay na. Diba? Medyo okay. We're going to give our presents now. You can help Mama. Mamimigay kami ng presents. Oh! We need a mouth, nose.
No.
Yes. For Olaf. And that's Mr. Snowman. Round. Around. Yes. Madami din gumagawa ngayon dito. Medyo ano. Hello. Tulo lang yung sipon ni Steven. Mr. Snowman. Mr. Snowman.
Yeah.
We put the Help. Okay, okay na yan. I will, we can have, what we gonna use? I'll get a carrots, Mama.
No, no. Okay, what's gonna buy? Buy? Oh, can you just...
Hi! Hala, ito na si Mr. Snowman. Oh, nose. Oh, nasira.
No.
Nose. That's very long nose. Okay, yung gloves ko. Nose. Oh my goodness. The nose.
No. What?
The mouth. Hindi pala siya madali. Ha? Hindi siya dumidikit. The eyes. Cornflakes. The eyes. The eyes.
No.
Mouth. Yes. Oh my goodie. Mahirap siya. Oh my god. It's cold. It's really difficult. The mouth. Need the gloves. God, my hands is really freezing. I need the proper gloves. Wait. Si Snow naman hindi masaya. At least we make the snow. Oh, sorry, mommy. Yes. We're going to give the... We're going to give the presents. Come on in. Help mama. Hello, snowman. Oh my goodness. Snowman. Snowman. Let's go. We're going to give the... for snowman. We give some out. Magbibigay kami ng mga presents sa kapitbahay namin. Ito, snowy. Pero madulas siya dito. Oh my god. Maputing maputi. Natutunaw na siya. Kasi maulan-ulan. Careful. Oh, careful. Hello, doggy. Hi. So snowy. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, good. Isa my Steven. Snowy, snowy. Natutunaw na yung snow. Kasi maulan-ulan siya. Na-deliver na namin yung mga presents namin. So, nakunin na yun sa labas. Nawa si Snowman.
Party lights and midnight skies, counting down to a brand new ride. Sparkling dreams in our eyes. Celebration, no need to hide. Cheers rising, can't deny. New Year's magic, let's fly high. It's a happy new year. Feel the beat,
Siguro kami lang
dancing hearts in the street. Raise a glass to